How to fix portrait mode not working on your iPhone device. To solve this issue, first of all, what you need to do is launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, scroll down a little bit. There you'll see camera option. Simply tap on that. From there, make sure grid is toggled off. Now, on the top, you'll see preserve settings. Tap on it. From here, make sure camera mode is toggled on and all of these are toggled off. Now check if your camera portrait mode is working. If it is still not working, then simply tap on the portrait mode. Now on the top you will see F icon. Simply tap on it. From here you can adjust your light required. Once you do that, go back to the settings again. From here, tap on General. Then go to the transfer or reset iPhone and reset all of your settings. Once you do this, your portrait mode will start working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.